In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a flowchart in Google Docs. This is a handy skill that can help you visualize processes and concepts clearly. To get started, the first step is to open your Google Docs. If you don't have a document ready, just start with a blank one. Once you're in your document, you'll want to navigate to the top menu bar where you see the word Insert. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll see several options. What we're interested in is the Drawing option. Click on Drawing, and then from the side menu, select New. This will open a clean canvas where we can begin creating our flowchart. Now that you have your drawing space ready, it's time to start adding some basic shapes. To do this, you'll want to click on the Shape icon in the drawing toolbar. Google Docs provides a variety of shapes for you to choose from, such as rectangles, circles, and triangles. Which shape you choose really depends on the design of your flowchart and what you feel best represents the information you're working with. For example, rectangles often work well for process steps, while diamonds might be useful for decision points. Once you have your desired shapes in place, the next step is to connect them in a way that makes sense for your flowchart. For this, you have a couple of options. You can add individual lines between the shapes, which is great for straightforward connections. Alternatively, you can choose to use arrows. These are particularly helpful to indicate the flow or direction between the different parts of your chart. Simply click on the line or arrow tool, then click and drag to connect from one shape to another on your canvas. At this point, you should have a basic flowchart structure in front of you. You can always adjust the shapes, lines, and arrows to improve the layout and clarity. Feel free to reorganize as you see fit to best convey the information or process you're mapping out. If you ever need to edit, just double-click on the drawing and you'll be able to make any necessary changes. And there you have it, a simple yet effective flowchart created directly within Google Docs. This tool provides a flexible way to document and share visual representations without needing specialized software. It's perfect for team collaborations or organizing ideas for personal projects. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more handy tips.